Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying access. Sign into the Google account on the current device so you can remove it properly. Once signed in, make sure sync is complete for contacts, photos, and Drive. This preserves data. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, and select the Google entry. Tap Remove Account to start. You do this now so the target device can receive a clean sign-in. Make sure both devices stay awake and online while you move to the next step. After removing the account on the old device, you need to prepare the target device. This is where you add the same Google account. On the new device, choose Add Account, select Google, and enter your email and password. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication. This verifies you and prevents lockouts. If you use Device Lock or Find My Device, make sure those are disabled on the old device. Otherwise, the account removal can be blocked. Once done, continue to adjust sync settings to restore data. Finalize by confirming that contacts, calendar, Drive, and photos are syncing correctly on the new device. This ensures nothing was lost. Reinstall apps from the Play Store and check subscriptions or purchases tied to the account. If you encounter issues, like a stuck verification, device still listed, or 2FA failures, use the Google Account Recovery flow or sign into My Account. Google.com to remove the old device remotely. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.